Hello, guys! I'm assuming you know what's happening today, and that is... Drumroll, please. An unboxing! Yeah! And a very special one, in fact, because actually I have a story time for this one. So I will be leaving timestamps for the video, because I will be doing my story time, my unboxing, and my review of it. So, you know it's because I see no reviews of this company online. So, my story time. On February 17th, I found some plushies on Pinterest, and it was like, let's go, because they look so cute. So, I went to my mother, and I was like, can I buy these? And she was like, "Red," and she let me buy them. But it was kind of weird because they weren't showing any, progress of the delivery. So, they were moving. But then, when I searched up the name of the fake company, it showed up as a scam. And I was at school, so I literally cried. I cried. I tried to hide it, but I don't think it was that subtle. So, I ended up buying from the legit company, and they came in. I bought these February 26th, and they've come in, and I am super excited to unbox them. First, I'll tell you about the company. So, it's from somebody called Soft Candy Toys, and their whole brand name is it's called Mixed Candy. You can actually see it on the box. I'll get it. So, they make fursuits, costumes, and plushies. I bought six of their adventure critters, which is what they call them. So, we are gonna start the unboxing. Okay, I gotta find a placement for these, because I'm thinking I'm gonna put them on my ottoman. I'm so excited. Okay, guys, I got it set up right there, and we have our sharp item. You know, I love saying that. So, I'm not going to talk too much over there because the camera won't pick up on my voice. So, I'm going to stand up and unbox it, and I'll come and tell you anything if you need it. You need the information. Okay. That was a smooth cut. Okay, guys, get ready. I'm about to open it and pull out, some of them, or all of them. I'll show you them one at a time so you can actually look at them. Okay, this is the Rider Cheetah. I'm gonna set him down over here. This is the Charlie Collie. They're posable. I didn't tell you that yet. They're posable. This is the Benji Collie. this is the Rover Collie. I literally didn't know he had purple in his eyes. They're literally purple right there. The Collie's ears are posable, so now he looks like a ratty. I like them down personally. Oh my god. Whoa. That is so cool. You're fully articulated? I can only do this.
Of course you didn't. You're fully articulated? I can only do this. Ah!
Okay, it just reminded me of that. Oh my god. This is Comet the Snow Leopard. If you couldn't already tell. Look at that. So beautiful. It's just so good. Oh my god, T-pose, 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 literal T-pose. Hey, my god. And lastly, we have Milo, the tiger. Oh my god. T-pose. So all their names, Benji, Charlie, Rover, Ryder, Milo, and Comet, which is all their names. God, I actually saw a few of those things on there, so I'm going to take those out. Guys, we got a free one. I swear. Ooh. We got a free little one. Oh my god, this thing is so beautiful. Our order was quite expensive, as you can see, so we literally got a free one. I didn't buy this. As you see, I am crashing out right now. Before I take the other stuff out, let me reset the video. Okay, I reset it. We're good. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is unbelievable. Oh. Guys, we got like a little tank top. You know, like a little, oh my god, it looks like a binder. We got pins. We got keychains. We got, okay, I don't want to swear. We got a freaking free keychain. This is one of their plushies called Aspen. There's a blue dog. And this is their other one called Dusty. Binder. We got a sticker of their company, Soft Candy Toys. We got a business card. You know, this is a lot. This is beautiful. And a bag with the adventure critters on it. So Rover, Ryder, and Charlie. These are some beautiful extras we have here. Beautiful extras. Beautiful extras. Now, since I did my unboxing, I'm going to do my review now. So this is my product overview. So, including freebies. So we have our 6 plushies over here. We have our freebie, so my bag, my pins, keychain stickers, free accessories, and business card, and my free extra plushie I got. So now I'm going to give you a review of all of them, including the tiny one, because I need to do that. Okay, we are starting off with Rover. So, Rover is an 18-inch tall collie. They're all 18 inches tall and fully articulated. So he can move his head, his ears, his limbs. His tail's the only thing that's not really articulated, but still cute. And they all have this tag that has the company name, so you know it's legit. Because I literally got scammed because I didn't see this on the scam site with the pictures that literally had this in it. But I really like how he has purple eyes. That's like my favorite part about him. He's like this tongue or mouth thing. These little side tufts. And his cool little tuft of hair. They can all do the T-pose, which I really like. Now on to the next one. Here we have Milo the tiger, who is 18 inches and fully articulated. He has a long tail because he is a tiger, with stripes all over his body. Tag. On this one, his ears are not adjustable since they're so short. And he has fully black eyes. So, well, look at that. On to the next one. This is the Comet Snow Leopard. He is basically the same as the tiger because he has his short, unarticulated ears, his fully articulated body, and this cute little kind of like heart-shaped nose. Yeah, the other one had that too. This long tail with embroidered rosettes and spots along his back and his arms, his front. He has pink paws instead of black paws. And he's fully black eyes and little fangs. All the cats have fangs, by the way. Regard, it sounds like bone breaking. Here is the Charlie Collie. He has green eyes. He's this little thing, which they all do have. I'm pointing out they're saying things. Little neck fluffs, like black paws, tail, legs, because he obviously has legs. Adjustable ears. Like, they literally look like rabbits. Mistaken them for a rabbit. So, basically same as the others, but still very individual because of their beautiful colors. Things not help. Aw. Here we have the rider cheetah with this neon yellow fluff as hair, black eyes, black paws, fangs, black nose. These ones' ears are pretty stiff. I don't really know why they're different from the other ones. Cute legs, long tail, and beautiful spots and dots all over his coat. These little line things to show he's a cheetah. They're pretty slim built too, just so you know that. And, well, technically not lastly, but of the adventure critters, we have Benji the Collie, which he's a bicolor collie, pretty sure. Cute little tail, just little ears, and he has little blue, dark blue eye color, little tongue, open mouth thingy, adjustable once again, which is a super cool feature. Kick. And I should probably try that little binder thingy I got. It's not a binder, but it looks like one for sure. Just let me get it and I'll try it on him to see how it fits. Guys, I actually realized that the shirt is for the tiny guy, which is actually perfect, so I can actually review him now. So, this little guy, I think they're called like travelers. Pretty sure. I do not really remember what these ones are called because I didn't really look at them. But he has these cute little blue eyes. He's also fully articulated. His little mouth's opening. His cute little tail with a cute little tag. He has fur here. And he sits in my hand. Sits in my hand. I'm not going to do a review of the freebies because I don't know. That may depend on what you get, because this was technically a freebie, because I think these are usually like $30, and I didn't pay for it. This guy's like a little husky. I know there's like a red one and I think a gray one. I recommend you go check out their website, because these things are really cute. Okay, now to the outro. Work! My magic is not working. Well, that is the end of today's video, and overall, I really recommend this company because they have beautiful plushy designs. And they send you free stuff with really big orders, because mine was a pretty big order. The tiny was really cute, the big ones were cute. I really liked the stuff that they sent me along with the order that I got. I recommend checking out their Etsy, Telegram, Twitter, and all their social medias. Guys, please sponsor me. I love this company. So, go check them out on their socials, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Got me jumping like